Video. So today, ito ang One Block Sky Block na laro. Here. I know I've not been uploading from the past days because the pig CBD toilet. Okay, I'm mining. Oh yay! We got some wood now. I'm just expanding the area. And my sister's going to join. Oh no, another ads. Okay. There's already stone. I'm going to make myself a crafting table. Crafted. I'll put it there. Stick. Pickaxe. Are you going to join? And now I'm just going to get some materials. Oh, a chest. Oh, thank you. I got a lot of good things, I guess. Some jungle saplings. Oh, that's gonna be an important thing here. What can you give my sister? What is this? Beetroot seeds. Carrots. Pwede kami mag-umpisa ng farm. Coal. Oh my gosh. We don't have iron. Well, that's disappointing. Wait, this just one minute. Goodbye. Now we have a stone. Grass. Oh no, I almost died. Ay, nandito na ako. Okay, punta ka dun sa portal. Anong portal? Wait, close ID muna. Intay mo muna yan. So guys, nandito na si Carlita. So I'm planning to mix, oh wait, iron finally. Saan dito? Yun. Oh, Carly, you're here. Yeah. Imagine tulaking ka lang ta dyan. Bata. Tutulakin ka ta? Sige lang. Joke lang. By the way, ito ang materials.
Gumawa tayo ng bahay, ah.
Hindi pa, wag muna. Yan, siya muna yan.
Bakit? Ang pangtag-nerd.
Okay lang yun.
Nakuha ko tuloy.
O baboy. Meron ng baboy. Pig, excuse me.
Pengi karot.
No thank you. Magagawa tayo.
Sige, tutulangin ka ta.
Sige na nga. Gagawa tayo kasi ng farm. Gamit ang carrot.
Okay.
Sa akin muna, okay?
Okay. Wait lang,
Oh my
pupunuin
gosh.
ko lang to.
Asan yung pig? Namatay na. No, Carly. No. We're going to use dirt, okay? For now, we're going to use
Oh,
dirt.
kuhain mo yung bato.
Okay, saglit lang. Okay, I'm just going to get the guts.
Ayan pa.
Kaya nga.
Ito pa.
Hindi ko na yan kailangan. That's just a pumpkin. We don't really need pumpkin. Dagatan, guys. Okay, so, kanina yung ikaw ba yan? Oh, si Pig. Kalita, what did I just say? No. Oh my gosh, Charlie, no. Sayang tuloy yung wood.
Patay, patay. Kuya, gawain mo maaga.
So guys, wala pang nangyayaring masama. Di ba Carly? Kasi walang
Yeah.
zombies.
Yeah.
Okay, sana ganito lang pa rin. Ganito lang pa rin. Karon, oh wait, we should really start making a furnace. Furnace. Yeah, that's enough.
Tatalon lang ako. Hindi na huminga yun.
We
Pangit.
have enough coal for the day, I think.
May ilaw na tayo, guys.
Yes. Oh no!
Pangkain natin yun eh.
Muna. Okay, ikaw muna mag-mine.
Okay. Okay. Umalis ka naman sa tabi.
Ako na natin.
Ah, sasampaling ka tayo.
Wag.
Kuya, binibigay ko na nga yung iyo.
Wag kasi tumingin sa bababe. Yan.
Sampaling ka ta.
Why are you like Rapunzel? Ah, wait. Why are you like Nezuko? Carly, you're taking my things. Oh, that just lapis.
Kalang ko rin yun eh. Kalang ko rin ng apple eh. Kalang ko ng apple B. Kalang ko ng apple.
Apo, sige. 2.
Salamat ang kunti naman.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Inulog mo ako?
Hindi.
Malapit na ako ron ha. Bakit ko yung patayin ko rin. Ay!
Nahulog ka? Ay, hindi. Malapit ka. Ah! Wag mo ko tutulakin, please.
Pinatay mo rin ako eh.
Ay, by the way, ito rin. Ito rin, anong babitin ko rin sa'yo? Palakahin mo yung area. Yan, dirt. Huwag kang mahuhulog ha. May pig. Huwag kang mamatay pig ha. What did you get? Grass blocks, yes.
Alas ka naman!
Dapat lang. Na-expand ko rin. Yan, meron na tayong grass blocks. Para green. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys the rules in the game.
Pahingin ng carrot, papakain ko sa baboy.
Wag.
Dapat tayo
Kailangan
ito.
ba ay hindi kasi kaya nga pa natin maraming carrots. Chicken. Tutulak, okay?
Tutulakin ko yan.
Please, wag.
Alam ko tulake. Mabilis pa na tong ano to eh. Chicken, tumakbo.
Oh yes, by the way, pahabain natin yung island natin.
Wait lang, lilib muna ako ha. Okay?
Sige. Some school things hindi kasi hindi ka maka-upload. Just some schools. Oh. Where did I get? Some pumpkin seeds and seeds. Ano? Lagdi mo that. Piggy. Piggy, don't push the chicken. Please. One. Did I get slugged? Oh, what did I get? Oh, sharp. Oh my gosh, sharp mass efficiency. I wonder if we can get. How do you make another? Okay, I wish. Okay. I'm a friend. I'm getting a lot of. I'm getting a lot of things. Oh yes, my dream of having the ice area. Oh, Carly, you changed your skin again.
Gusto ko tayo kopya eh.
Oh. So, guys, naglaro. Okay, more. Baka in the future, makita nyo tatlo ang naglalaro. Oh, isa lang naglalaro ng dito. Probably ako yun.
Papatayin ko tong baboy. Tumitingin sa akin to eh.
Wag! Gusto ko.
Tumitingin to palagi.
Love ka.
Papatayin ko to eh. Di naman to tao eh. Baboy naman yan eh.
Love ka niyan.
Di naman yan
Love ka niyan.
tao eh.
Carly,
Alaga
please.
yan eh. Tumitingin yan eh. Papatayin ko yan. Gusto mong pataya. Ay, malalaglag na. Gusto mo ikaw ang patayin ko?
No.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo patayin yung baboy. Ikaw na lang.
O sige, papatayin kita.
Ikaw lang, mabiro ka. Rest tayong damit. Be. Pangat mo, be. Ang pangat mo yung mukha mo.
Wait, obsidian. Bili tayo gumawa ng ano.
Nakatawa ko to, kuya.
Wala. Tagatan. Nagsusmelt na ako ng iron.
Tignan mo, may hawak ako.
Sige. Gagawa ako ng nether portal kung enough na yung hawak ko. Hindi pa masyado eh.
Ano to? Bakit? Ano na to? Tapos na.
Hindi pa tapos.
Tapos na talaga. Tignan mo.
Hindi pa. Mamaya pa yan.
Mamaya pa, okay.
Yan, gold. Ayan, nakuha ko yung gold.
May chest ba tayo?
Wala pa. Gagawa ko ng chest.
Chest?
Wala. So, guys, ito muna tatapusin ko yung video, guys. Okay? So, bye-bye! See you in the next vid. Probably Skyblock again, guys. Bye-bye!